Hi, I am Dr. Amit Sharma. I am practicing spine surgeon in Mumbai. Uh, Today, I would like to talk about the spinal anatomy and the common spinal disorders. Um, Spine is basically made up of three main parts. The uppermost part is the cervical spine, the neck area. The middle part is the what we call is thoracic spine, upper back, and the lower part is the lumbar spine, which is the lower back. So, if you look at the lumbar spine. The lumbar spine is made up of multiple bones. So they are stacked one on top of each other like bricks in the wall. And in between the bones there is this disc which is called intervertebral disc. One bone is called vertebra and inside it has a spinal canal. So from the spinal canal the spinal cord passes. This spinal cord will release one nerve on the right, one on the left at each level, and these nerves will make a group of nerves which is called sciatic nerve, which will go down to your leg. The structure of the cervical spine is almost similar, however the bones are a little smaller. So again, these are the bones, vertebrae, and there's a disc in between. That's the part of the skull. The brain is here, and from the brain, the spinal cord will pass down the spinal canal in the cervical spine. The nerve will come out on each direction, right and left, and from the neck, it will supply the upper chest, the upper extremity, the arms, and the upper part of the back. In the cervical spine, we have 7 vertebrae, which is numbered from C1 to C7. In the upper back, we have 12 vertebrae, which is numbered from T1 to T12. In the lumbar spine, we have 5 vertebrae, which are numbered from L1 to L5. And after the lumbar spine is finished, we have this big block of the bone, which is called sacrum, which is basically a block made up of 4 different bones, S1 to S4. And at the very end, we have this tailbone, which is called coccyx, which is again made up of 4 small pieces of bone. With the aging process, and sometimes because of the injury also, the disc will degenerate. It will be subjected to wear and tear. So a normal disc will allow the movement, and at the same time it will hold the spine together also. But when the disc will degenerate, this movement will cause pain. So that's the basic reason behind spondylosis. Spondylosis is basically used most of the time with cervical spine, but the same is true for the lumbar spine as well. If the part of the disc will come behind and it will start pressing on the spinal cord or the spinal nerve, then it will cause pain coming down the leg in case of lumbar spine, and coming down the arm in case of cervical spine. Sometimes the part of the bone will slip forward on the lower bone like this. So upper bone will go forward on the lower bone. This is called spondylolisthesis. Sometimes this may be associated with the fracture in the bone in the back. So the hook mechanism of the upper bone, which will hold the hook of the lower bone, is broken. So this break is called defect in pars, or fracture of the pars interarticularis, or commonly known as spondylolysis. So the upper bone will slip forward on the lower bone, and this will cause pressure on the spinal cord. So this will lead to the back pain from the fracture and the disc degeneration, and pain coming down the leg because of the nerve pressure. Another common problem is scoliosis. Ideally, when we see the spine from the front or back, it should look like a straight line. But in case of scoliosis, the spine will be curved. So that can cause cosmetic deformity, and in rare cases it can actually cause nerve pressure, also leading to pain, tingling, or sometimes weakness also in the legs.
Dr. Amit Sharma is one of the top spine specialists in Mumbai. He is practicing since 2011. He treats all spinal problems related to cervical, thoracic and lumbosacral area. He was trained at the prestigious KAM Hospital in Mumbai. Best Institutes for Orthopedic Surgery Training in India. Dr. Sharma was trained at Best Hospital for Spine Surgery in USA, at Hospital for Special Surgery, New York, and Children's Hospital, New Orleans. Dr. Sharma works at Best Hospitals for Spine Surgery in Mumbai. He aims to provide accurate diagnosis and best treatment for his patients. Spine surgery is done when non-surgical treatment fails. He specializes in minimally invasive spine surgery, cervical spine surgery, spinal deformity correction, scoliosis, kyphosis, revision spine surgeries, along with treatment for other common spinal disorders like slip disc, sciatica, spondylosis, spinal stenosis, spine fractures, spinal tuberculosis, spine infection, spondylolisthesis, and spine tumors. Dr. Sharma is involved in research in the field spine surgery. He has published many articles in international journals. He has presented his work in various national and international meetings.